Do you want wireless CarPlay and Android Auto on your 2014 to 18 RAV4? Here it is, the Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This beautiful screen is over 9.5 inches and it's going to preserve all the important factory features that we show in this video. Of course, more details will be available on the specs page. This is the Hamilton conversion kit, a beautiful screen that's fast and responsive. We capture all of our CAN bus data here in Raleigh, North Carolina. CAN bus is the method by which the various vehicle modules communicate with each other. This means that we can be sure the Hamilton kit preserves the factory features that we show in this video. Let me show you your reverse camera and parking sensors. From CarPlay, you can easily shift into reverse. You can see those parking sensors going, and there's the factory reverse camera. We're also going to have aftermarket 360 camera support coming soon. We always love supporting the factory cameras, though, most importantly. As well, you can use your steering wheel controls to adjust the volume. We're going to have another video that'll show you guys Android Auto for Android Auto users. We'll also have a full installation video of this product. It's not terribly difficult. We back all of our products with North Carolina-based support, and you can give us a call at 919-858-2890 if you have any questions. Every app with an Apple CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. So that means your favorite streaming apps, as well as your favorite navigation apps, will be right here in CarPlay. One of the things that really makes the Hamilton unit special is we've precision calibrated our devices to work with the factory microphones. Because we have our own in-house engineering team here in Raleigh, North Carolina, we've been able to capture the necessary data and measurements to ensure that our device works with your factory microphone. This means that whether you're talking to Siri or making a phone call, things are going to sound great. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 76 degrees. Today's high is 76 and the low will be 45.
You can see Siri had no trouble hearing me. Using the voice speech button on the steering wheel will trigger Siri. We're going to keep all of your climate control functionality right here on the factory panel, and you can continue to make adjustments just like you would originally. Touching this Hamilton icon brings us to some more special functionality. This is what we call the Hamilton underlying operating system. This operating system is powerful. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and a powerful Qualcomm processor power this device. We use an American spec Qualcomm processor. This means that we support 4G networks here in the United States. We always recommend T-Mobile, and it's important that you tell your carrier that you need a data-only SIM. You can add an optional 4G SIM, and it'll give this device its own data connection similar to a telephone. While you can't make phone calls or send text messages, it'll have its own data connection. And this means you can stream music directly from the device or use other apps for features that might not be available in CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see some of those apps here. This system is snappy and responsive. We've also got this over-the-air upgrades portal here. This means we can do over-the-air upgrades to your device, and we have full details for this on help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. Because we employ our own in-house software engineers at Hamilton Motor Company, we can make sure that our devices stay cutting edge by sending new features and software updates. It's super cool, and we love making folks drive even better. Because Hamilton Motor Company employs our own in-house software engineering team, we're able to have this over-the-air upgrade portal. Full details are available on help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. But it means that over time, the Hamilton Motor Company team can add cool new features and functionality to your device while making sure it stays cutting edge. It's super cool. This is the split screen home screen. If you have that 4G SIM here, or if it's paired to your phone's hotspot when you're not using CarPlay, you can have navigation or other features here, and this would show you're now playing along with your time over here. You can download any app from the Google Play Store directly onto this device. And touching this button will bring us back to wireless CarPlay at any time. We back all of our products with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. Full details are available on hamiltonmotorcompany.com. This warranty means that we're going to treat you the way we would want to be treated. We have full details about this product on the product page. Be sure to check it out. Things update and change from time to time, so it's really important that you go to that product page for all the latest details, compatibility notes, and specs. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We're delighted to earn your business, and we're only a phone call away at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the installation video.